Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I know that my little thing is shaky right now. I don't know why. I need to see if I can tighten it up. Maybe it's dumb to do a video with it being so shaky, but there's Taz. He's so stinking cute. I love this dog so much, and he loves going bye-bye in the car, and we're going to pick up Katie, so I need my sunglasses. I thought I would take you guys along for a little minute. It is Wednesday after work, and like I said, we're going to pick up Katie from the camp. She's a camp counselor, and then we're going to pick up her car. It is ready from the shop, so I told her dad that I would take her, so I'm gonna go take her to do that. So she's excited that she'll have some wheels. So I don't know what we're gonna do with all these cars in front of the house though, but I guess that's a small problem, isn't it? So yeah, I need to figure out this thing because I don't like how it's so shaky. But things are going well. I was actually just working on my plan with me, so if you watch that, you'll see that I had to stop so I could go get Katie. Well, this is me going to get Katie. There's no one at the pool. That's weird. It's 93 degrees, so I don't know why no one's at the pool. Speaking of, I haven't been to the pool all year. And Taz has his head out. I don't think I went to the pool all last year either. It's not a big thing for me anymore. I used to love it, and I still like it, but I don't know. It's not so important for me to have a tan or any of that like it used to be. But what is important is to stay hydrated. And this is my favorite cup. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. And I have tea. It's peach tea. And it's yummy. And gosh, I am so sorry about this. There has to be a way for me to tighten it a little bit, but I can't really do it while I'm driving, and I don't know exactly how to do it. So there's a little screw in the back, and I've tried that, and that's not it. So sorry, Charlie. There's a pretty puppy, Tess. Oh, he's laying down now. He doesn't see that pretty puppy. They're doing construction on my road. They're putting a roundabout in where a light used to be. So it's crazy. Everybody has to go a different way. Now he has his head out the window over here. Don't know if you can see that. A little bit maybe. He's so cute. I had a few green olives before I left too, and ugh, now my stomach kind of hurts. Not because the green olive, not because I ate something, but because of what I ate. They were, soury and just kind of not hurt in the way that it's gonna make me sick or any of that. Just yuck, but it's okay. If that makes any sense at all. It is a beautiful day, but it is hot and muggy. That is the thing with our weather. It gets so muggy. And they changed all this around too, like how you can get in and out. And it's just not very easy anymore. At least it's not easy in the way that it's odd. So again, this person wants to turn. Okay. I wasn't sure if you wanted to turn into the gas station, and that person getting out of the gas station is kind of in the middle. So I don't know. But it all worked out, as it always does. So I have to do all of that just to get back on the same road that I live on, because you can't go straight on the road that I live on. Crazy. So what would normally take, I don't know, a minute ends up taking more like 10 minutes. But you know, I can't complain because they're putting a roundabout in, trying to make it so that it's a little easier, and you know, progress. What can you do? You got to put up with the mess until they can get it done, and then, you know, so it'll be a lot longer of a time that it'll be better than it's bad. So if that makes any sense at all. And I have some pork carnitas in the crock pot. It was one of the frozen meal things that you could do. You could make, and I made it a while ago at one of the frozen meal places that you go to make stuff. I don't even know what the name of it is. And I did it probably back in February or something. So I think this is my last meal from it. And I think I'm going to make some rice to go with it because Kitty doesn't eat meat. So I think I'll do some rice and corn or something like that. I don't know, that's very carby. So I will eat the meat, but I'll let them pick what they want. I don't have any. I was hoping I had some peppers, some green peppers, but I do not. So I have some frozen ones that I'm going to add to the pork, but I don't have any like I can put on the side, which is kind of what I wanted to do for Katie, but it's okay. She won't starve, that's for sure. She likes kind of snacking anyway, like, I don't know what to call it, because it's not really grazing. She eats a meal, but she likes to eat a lot of different things. I guess that's the cafeteria at school kind of gets you used to that, maybe, where you can pick whatever you want and have a little bit of everything, and that's kind of what she likes to do. So if I have, like, I don't know, corn and rice, and she'll probably add some grapes to it, or some cherries, and some, I can't even think of the things that she likes, some hummus, maybe some pita chips, you know, so she'll be fine. A spoon of peanut butter, you know, whatever. She kind of just does a lot of different things, and she likes it that way, so it works out. Woo-wee, construction is hot and heavy right now, that's for sure. So we are just about at Katie's work, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to stop in and say hello, and hope you guys are having a happy day. This is probably going to post on Thursday, so maybe I'll add to it on Thursday morning before work. I don't know. I don't know what the future holds, but I do know that you gotta make your choices to make it a good day. So I hope you do that, and I will talk with you all soon. Bye-bye. Happy Thursday morning. So I will continue the vlog just a little bit, just to say hello and to wish you well on this rainy day here in Indiana. Yuck. It's really not that bad. I don't mind rain, but I prefer it to rain when I'm home, just because I don't know, I kind of like it. It's kind of cozy. So it's kind of awful for Katie, who has to work outside, but they have inside facilities, or at least covered facilities too. So that's all right. She'll be fine. She's young. But let's see, last night, I don't even know if we did anything fun. I think I may have said that I had some pork carnitas in the crock pot, and I did. But we didn't feel like it when it got to be dinner time. I was like, I don't know, I'm just not feeling this, and I I don't know if I didn't cook it long enough or what, but I couldn't get the pork to, it wasn't like fork tender yet. So that's what really kind of turned me off. So we ended up ordering food, and I ordered tortilla soup from my favorite, well, from a favorite Mexican delivery place. And the kids loved it. We use DoorDash. I don't know if you guys have that where you live, but it's a food delivery service that is a premium because they charge you to deliver, and then you have to tip the driver, which of course you tip the driver, but I'm just saying that it adds up quick, especially when I'm feeding 4 adults. But Alex loved his. He said it was delicious. Katie loved hers, and she asked for a special request. She had gotten spinach enchiladas or something, and she didn't want the red sauce. She wanted the cheese sauce, and they did it. So she was pleased that they listened, or read her request and made the special change. And Dennis enjoyed his. So it's a good place. We all really liked it. So that was nice, and the tortilla soup is so good. But I actually had a little bit of Katie's and a little bit of Alex's, and Dennis had gotten steak, so I had a little bite of his steak. But like Katie's and Alex's, I just cut a little bitty slice off of theirs and just ate the inside, because Alex got a burrito and Katie got enchiladas, so I didn't eat the tortilla. But I ate a little bit of the spinach and cheese that was in Katie's and a little bit of the chicken with Alex's, and it was delicious, and I couldn't finish my soup, but it was so good. So there was that. And then I've still been knitting. What was I working on last night? I did the baby blanket that I'm working on, and I'm working still on this like a library scarf or something. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to insert a picture of what it looks like at the end of this so you guys can see. But yeah, it's like a thick, probably this thick, so a couple feet, and it's like one big scarf that will go over, but then there's going to be pockets, so it'll be cute. And it's all like you knit a row, and then you purl a row, and then you knit a row, and then you purl a row. And I've messed up a couple of those rows, and those stand out, but oh well, I'm still new. I don't know what you do, and maybe any of you knitters know. Like, let's say you notice that you've messed up in the middle of a project. Is there a way to go back and fix that? Like, let's say you purled instead of knitted, or knitted instead of purled, or whatever. Can you go back and fix that, or are you just have to undo everything that you've done, or do you just leave it, or what do you guys do? Because I'm really not sure. And I can tell you that if I'm a few rows, if I'm in the row and I realize I've messed it up, I don't mind undoing it and redoing it. Or even if I was in the row after that, I don't think I'd mind. But if I'm further along than that, I'm not going back. I'm not a professional, and that's a lot of work. And it's even a lot of work when you take them off. I think it's hard to like make sure that you've gotten the right stitch back on your stick. So I don't know, let me know what you guys do. And it's been a rainy week here. I don't know if I told you guys we were going to play Topgolf, but we ended up not because it was storming. And I have it reserved for next week. And this weekend we're going to my aunt's house. That will be fun. We're going to hang out with her. We're going to go to IU and look around the campus and go to the bookstore. And then we're going to go to my aunt's house and hang out there. I just love her to pieces, so it'll be fun to reconnect. It's been a little bit. And it's cool too because we're all going. So that's my big plans. trying to think if it's supposed to rain this weekend, and I think it is. I mean, it really won't make our plans any different, although it won't be as fun to walk around the IU campus with it raining. So we'll have to figure that one out. But alright, well, I guess I'm going to let you guys go. I appreciate you, and I will talk with you all soon.